Think of a supermarket, double it. Add a department store with clothes, furniture, hardware, refrigerators and television sets, all self-service. Then add restaurants and a snack bar and car parking for 960 cars. And you've some idea of Britain's first hypermarket. They claim that everything here is cheaper, but how much cheaper? And how frightened are Caerphilly's small shopkeepers of this new giant competitor? Right, now then, I've bought here in this greengrocer's shop potatoes, onions, apples, a pound of tomatoes, 2 pounds of carrots. And that altogether has come to 43 pence, which I reckon is pretty good. Now, You've been here for 35 years. Do you think this hypermarket is really going to do you out of business?
No, not really.
Why not?
Well, the simple reason is because not only we fruit and veg, we're a florist, you see, we do wedding bouquets and funerals as well.
So you do a bit of everything?
Yes.
And the hypermarket isn't going in for funerals yet?
I shouldn't think so.
You don't think that their prices will be much lower than yours?
Oh, they will, you see, but I don't see anybody in town going down to the hypermarket in the middle of the week for a cauliflower or a couple of pounds of potatoes, you see.
Do you think you'll be trying out the new hypermarket?
Oh yes, certainly.
Do you think it's going to do a lot of damage to the shops here?
Well, there'll be a fair amount of competition, I should imagine.
We're doing a good thing going there, but it doesn't do all these little shops out of business.
Because some people will keep on coming
here.
here.
Yes, they keep coming because other people is coming from different towns shopping here, and they're definitely going to go into other shops before they go down there, into Woolworths and the market and things like that.
So you think there's room for both kinds?
Oh yes, yes, definitely.
Thank you very much. Well, there we are. The usual things that one buys in a shop: washing up flakes, salt, pepper, soup, sugar, bread, butter, margarine, lard. Nothing very much out of the ordinary, but the usual weekly shopping. Now, Mr. Broughton, you're the manager of a fairly big shop here in Caerphilly. You sell all this kind of thing, and bacon as well, and sausages and meat joints.
Yes.
Do you think that your customers are going to turn away from you to this new hypermarket?
I don't think so. They may go down there, you know, out of curiosity for the first week, but I think they'll drift back shortly.
Why don't you think they'll stay down there?
Oh, we do give them a little personal service here, which the bigger stores can't obviously cope with.
But of course they are offering things cheaper, aren't they?
Yes, but we'll have to wait and see what prices they have.
If they become very competitive, can you meet those prices?
Yes, I certainly think I can, yes.
Well, this load of groceries actually came to exactly £5. Now, the shopkeepers of Caerphilly don't seem particularly worried about the coming of the new hypermarket, but tomorrow I'm going to go along there. I'm going to buy exactly the same things that I've bought today, and I'm going to see whether I get any change from £5. What do you think about it now? Tell me what you said.
Well, we came with some friends. We haven't seen them since. We walked in with them and we've lost. They're in and out the counters and we've missed them somewhere. We've got to go look for them now.
What do you think of it? Do you think it's confusing?
Well, I've been to France. I know the sort of setup. But I can quite see that if you've never been in a place like this before, you don't know which way to go. The aisles, I find, are a bit confusing and you can't always get near the counters. People sort of... if they left their trolleys in the middle and then went and looked, but they all take their trolleys to the counter. And it's a bit of a bun fight.
Well, this is what my daughter, Francisca, said. Now, this is in Caerphilly, I paid 14 pence for it, and now it's 11 pence here.
Yeah.
Well, that's 3 pence a save, isn't it?
Do you think it's worth coming all the way out here? You may spend more than 3 pence in petrol coming here.
Are we
No,
living
well, I live in Caerphilly, so I've only got to come just on the road and I'm here. It's just similar going into Caerphilly to shop.
So you really think it's proving a
We've
worthwhile
got to
option?
use the car to go into Caerphilly if we want to do shopping. So, I mean, we come here for the first time, but I mean, it's always the first time, isn't it?
The other one's 50. Well, there we are, £4.51, a definite saving. The only problem I can see in this place is it's rather wearing on your feet, buying your bargains.